This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Friday, February 25th, 2011. Today we're going to take a look at Chelsea Therapeutics International. This is a NASDAQ capital market stock trading under ticker CHTP. This is a look at a one-year chart. Nice pattern in through here. There's your cup and handle that broke out, continued the uptrend. I'm not sure what happened to it here back in January. Price just took a big dive from over $8 to now holding a support level at $4. So I'll take a look at these indicators. See, we're seeing an overall uptrend in the MACD histogram heading back towards zero. Looks like we're going to get a bullish cross of the signal line. Not super deep, but this is pretty much classic pincher play formation. Of course, now we're looking for the flattening of that ADX, start to curl its way back down, and a reversal of positions of the positive and negative DIs. That all looks pretty nice for a reversal at this point. Of course, we're going to look for that key areas. We're trying to get these MFIs back to the north side of 50. Down here, they're trading in bearish territory. Looks like they're trying to put together uptrends. Even this gold line, the 21, is starting to move its way back north. So we're looking at that to try and push back up and break through 50. Not a bad overall look to the accumulation distribution. Nice little uptrend. Of course, this can continue. We'll look for that break of this line right here and make a new higher high. Shaking money flow showing that selling pressure is subsiding. Looks like it might possibly break through zero to show that buying pressure is taking control. And we're seeing an overall uptrend in the CCI, trying to break its way back through negative 100. Very nice look there. We'll look for a little bit of strength, see if this can push more towards zero, get a little distance between itself and the negative 100 area. Full stow trending down here in oversold territory. We already know from previous charts it can trend down here for a long time. What we're going to look for is that break of 20 to show some positive momentum coming into this stock. Tricks. Looks like it's tightening up to the signal line, but this is a lagging indicator, and the stock's been on a pretty sharp fall. So that's just something to keep an eye on in the future, see if it's going to give us a bullish cross or not. Looks like all three RSIs are going to try and push their way back out of oversold territory. Been trending down here now for a month or so, but looks like they're trying to get their turn on. This 2-day candle pattern right here, I know it's kind of small because I'm at a year chart. I wanted to show this cup and handle of a continuation pattern, how nice that can be. This 2-day candle pattern is called a bullish harami. It's not the strongest reversal pattern in the world, but today we will be looking for confirmation because it is still a reversal pattern. So we'll want to see the stock price close today higher than yesterday's close, and we'll look for more volume to come in. The nice thing about combining even a weaker reversal pattern with this chart is this area right through here you can see is a historic support level. It was resistance through here, resistance through this area. Also caught a little bit of support right there. Now it's trying to sit on $4 again and trying to make a move back upward. So combining the harami with an area of support, this may have a decent chance of turning around and putting some kind of reversal to it. So I'd look for that $4 to hold as support. It's going to run into some resistance right here around this 450 area. You can see again, historic resistance, historic support, and there's that 200-day moving average right there as well. So I'd look for some resistance right around 450. The 200-day right now is at 461. So that area may be a little bit tough on the CHTP share price, but that's pretty nice gains from where it is right now, closing at 420 yesterday. So let's look for volume to pick up. 542,000 shares traded is plenty of liquidity. Let's see if it can confirm this bullish harami and try and begin to uptrend again from this point forward, come up and challenge this resistance. There is still a very small gap up here to be filled, but obviously that's a ways away. We're talking almost a 50% move. If it does move strong, look for that area to start to become pretty tough around 550. This 50-day moving average is dynamic. It's going to continue to come down. It's probably going to play a role with an intersection of the price per share resistance at that point, and it was a pretty stout area of resistance for it back here in 2010. So these are the kind of things I'm going to have my eyes on with the Chelsea Therapeutics chart. As always, merely my interpretation. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.